Hey, I only don't because it wasn't fair, all right? The only reason
Jared. Woo. Jared. What'd you get? Are you not going to go now that I got the camera out? In your jammies with your teddy runners in your new walker. Grandma get you a new walker? What are you showing your slow speed? Hey, Jared, we're making a video. Kick it in the high gear, big guy. You're pretty silly. There's Cruiser. There's Jared. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, there you go, baby. There you go. No? No. And here's Abby. Abby, say hi to Grandma. Abby, say hi, Grandma. Where's Grandma? Oh, there's Grandma, Abby. Abby, it's Grandma. Where's Grandma, Abby? Abigail. Where's Grandma? Woo! Is your doggy barking? There goes Abby. Go see Brandon. They dragged their blankie out. Jared. Mama. Oh, here he goes. Monkey. Jared. Woohoo.
Ordinary lunch tractor. We have a Tim Taylor.
He's watching. There he goes. Are you just gonna bounce? And give Brandon roll a ball? Or is that distracting? Show her how you walk.
We're gonna replace it.
Show her how you walk.
This is a twin 1600cc motorcycle. Normally aspirin is 58. Your dad is poured and polished full for the crashing balance all the way.
You're just gonna bounce? You're not gonna drive anywhere? Oh. There he goes.
This bad boy should be under 15 seconds at quarter mile. 0 to 60.
Are you gonna lounge back now?
We're gonna enter the Indianapolis 5. By the time the rest of the pack catches us, we'll won the race and mowed the infield.
Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, there you go. That's a smart baby. Yeah, bye-bye.